Hello everybody, welcome back to the review channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video about color craze. And me now. If you guys don't know, I'm very colorblind. I can't see very many colors. Oh, I can't see blue, mainly. Blue and dark purples. So this is going to be really hard. Let's get on with the video. Oh my gosh. I wish my friend were here to help me. I wish I could put it on the end with friends. But it's going to just be like playing colorblind person plays color craze. Frick me. Wow, okay, oh, okay, it's fine. Yep, we lit. Oh, no, never, nobody ever say that sentence, please. Never, nobody. I will kill you personally. I will come and arrest you. This is fun. Not to a colorblind person, good sir. Hello, hello, hi, let me in. When your ADHD kicks in. I like to jump over people. Poppy, would your place, I think. Hi, call me. Hi, E, call me. Multiple winners. Let us in. Is it just me or is that all gray now? Is that just me? I don't know. Oh, it's so fun. Pink, 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 pink. Hi. Golly. Okay. Okay, I did it. Peach, peach, peaches, 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 peach, peach, peach. Okay. Okay. That's great. That's great. I can't see colors. I want to see colors. I think it's something with chromosome, something. My mom says, my siblings say I'm just too dumb and have to go relearn the colors, so they'll say, Shayla, it's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. And I'm just like, I will murder. I will murder. Oh gosh. Okay. Are you freaking kidding me? Can I move? Let's go AFK. AFK people. Hi, I'm AFK. Back now. Sorry. Get sidetracked. This is hard. I'm tired. But I'm gonna record it anyway. That's gonna start. Yay! Frick. Oh, I did it, guys. I'm not dead yet. Okay, this one, pinkish, pink, yeah, pink. Pink is just a terrible word. Sorry to any of you guys who like pink. Pink's just not my thing. Pink's not my jam. Sorry. This is gray. Ooh. I'm not gonna make it in time. Oh, dang it. Yep. Pink again. I'm gonna make it in time, dang it. It says you're not. I'm reading other people's conversation. Oh my gosh. I'm a potato, but I like eating tomatoes. A potato flew around my room before you came. No, I died. I didn't even get enough time to write it all the way. Potato flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess I made. Usually doesn't rain. Something about potatoes. I am a potato. I am just randomly playing with a hairbrush. I have so much ADHD. Oh my god. Someone just said KKK. KKK. KKK is coming for you. Trigger warning. Trigger. Oh my god, it's a furry. Run from the furries. The furries are coming. Blue, green. It's either blue or green up there. Totally oh my gosh. Totally tubular. What the frick? This is round, and this is gonna be Frank. Oh, 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 what the whoa! I did it, but I barely made it. Light brown, light brown, light brown, light brown. Oh, dang it! I thought I was gonna be able to do it again. Dang it! Let me in. They're all dead now. They're all dead now. Gosh dang it. Oi! Oi. Actually, I'm gonna end this video here because I need to be done hurting myself. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like, please like and subscribe. If you guys like to watch me suffer, please subscribe. It sounded really, really weird. Okay then. But anyway, love you guys. Okay, bye. Oh, I'm dead. Okay, bye.